Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So, guys, we have an opening from sales executive at HDFC Bank. Okay, so every details regarding the job description, eligibility criteria, how you can apply to that, everything that we'll be discussing in this video. So, if you're very new to our channel, please do subscribe our channel and activate the bell icon as well. So, while you activate the bell icon, please do put it as all so that you will get all the notifications regarding whichever video we upload. Okay, so let's move on to the content. So first, as I've discussed, that's an opening from sales executive at HDFC. So here you can see the job description. Reach out to new customers and explain to them the benefits of catalog. Help them develop the same initiative sales by following up phone calls for existing customers. Then develop in-depth knowledge of products and services to make sustainable recommendations, continually meeting or exceeding daily and monthly targets with respect to call and sales. Okay, so these are the four different things that will be handling there once you get into this job. So that is, you need to have a good communication schema. Okay, that is, it's not like you need to forefront a large audience, but you need to be very precise or crisp enough in conveying the things that you are handling. Okay, just the HDFC will be having so much products like some policies or some investment schemes, there is something like that. So you need to be very clear about that, and you must be able to make your customers clear about the same. If you need to get new customers with the scheme, as well as you need to make sure that the old customers know them well, and if you are very interested, you need to make them comfortable in that scheme as well. Okay, so this is about the job role, job description. So now let's see what will be the eligibility criteria. Okay, so skills required will be ability to learn about products and services and describe or explain them to prospects. That's very important. In job description, as I've elaborated, like you need to just, make customer understand every aspects of the products or schemes that services that HDFC is putting forward for, and you need to apply to that. Okay, that's it. And excellent knowledge of English. Okay, excellent knowledge of English in the sense you must be able to communicate with them, as well as communication means hearing and also speaking. So you must be able to hear them, and also you must be able to communicate them. If you have that much knowledge in this English language, then it's fine. Okay, excellent communication and interpersonal skills, obviously, as every job. The languages known will be Kannada, Hindi, and English. So if you are good with this regional language as well as English, then obviously this job is for you. Okay, so eligibility criteria, like in qualification, it will be graduates, freshers can apply. So graduates, any graduates can apply it. There is no mandatory batch criteria, anything. Any graduates can apply it in here. So the work experience will be 0 to 1 years of work experience. So if you're a zero experience, few months experience, 1 year experience, then obviously you can try applying here. And the CTC that they are providing is 2.3 LPA. So sales executive section, it's a decent or the average CTC performed. Okay, now location available as Bangalore. That's why they wanted to know the regional language. And this Bangalore is a kind of a metropolitan city wherein a lot of people, from different regions of India is coming up. So you need to know the national language, which is Hindi, and regional language, which is Kannada, and the international language, which is English. Okay, so it is not like you must speak greatly fluent. If you get to understand what they speak, or you can communicate the simple things with them, you can handle these languages in a basic level, then that's fine. Okay, so whoever is trying for a job in this, apart from this non-computer science, or apart from this computer science or anything, then you can try applying to this job as well. Okay, so next, to apply for that, so I have left a link in the description for the able job. It's an application where they provide a lot of job opportunities like this. So you can see that 225K plus students have been placed from here. And the brightest part they are putting forward is, once you apply to the job, like what all trainings or interview preparation required for the job, they'll provide it by themselves. They'll make you equipped for the job, and then you will face an interview. Okay, so you can try download their application, explore yourself, and try to understand what is there and how you can be benefited out of that. Okay, so once you log into the application, what you have to do is, you can search like HDFC, as I have stated here. You can search like HDFC there, like this. Okay, and this is the first job available, sales executive. So once you open that, you'll be getting this. So all the things that I have explained right now will be there in that page. You can read it and understand once again, and you can think over it and apply it. Okay, so that's it. And after that, once you click on, like once you feel like you are ready for that, you can click on this applied button. So you'll be navigating to an application process. Okay, so application process, very simple. So this is how it will be in the starting process. So first you need to fill your details to get the best job. So you can see what's your professional background, like already working, currently not working, still studying in college. So you can just check this. Okay, you can just select whichever is possible. So I have did something like currently not working. So I've got this. Tell us about your work experience. I'm a fresher, or I have worked before, and everything. So if you're a student, you can select. So accordingly, you will get the options, customized option. And if you're already working, you can opt that, and accordingly. Okay, so it's a simple form. They need to understand like what way you are. Okay, so that they can give you guidance customizingly. So that's it. That's about it. And after that, application process will be done, and they'll contact through the further process. Okay, they'll contact through the mail, or they'll contact through phone number, like on the further process. And so you know that how important is HDFC. I mean, HDFC Bank is a well-known, established banking in India, having headquarters in Mumbai. So obviously, this can help you if you are into sales executive kind of job. So if you could perform that well, then obviously with that experience, you can proceed, or you can have the hikes or improvement in the designation as well. So it is very important to get a job, to get this available part. So if you wish to apply to that, you can go with the link that I've mentioned in the description to apply for the job. Okay, so that's it. That's about the opening available. So everyone who wish to apply it, please to apply it at the earliest before this, or like it get filled. Okay, so try applying to it. So if you have any further doubts regarding anything that I've discussed in this video, please to let me know in the comment section, and suggestions regarding the video content, welcome to the comment section. So until I come up again, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to online study for you.